Welcome back to the Bitcoin.com weekly update for May 7th, 2021. My name's Corbin Fraser, and today we're going to be looking at the anti-Bitcoin journey. Why do people criticize Bitcoin, and what happens to anti-Bitcoiners over time? In the latest example, American comedian Bill Maher used his platform to rip into Bitcoin this week, delivering an 8-minute rant that went viral in the crypto space. The comedian focused on two of the most common criticisms that we see here. One, that Bitcoin isn't based on anything, and two, that it's just bad for the environment.
And no actual product made or service rendered. It's like Tinkerbell's light. Its power source is based solely on enough children believing in it.
By contrast, he claimed that although the traditional financial system isn't perfect, at least it's real. On the second point, Maher called Bitcoin a beanie baby that runs on coal, referencing a research paper which claims that Bitcoin could single-handedly push global warming above 2 degrees.
The millennials, the Gen Zers, the Silicon Valley types, these are all the same people who see themselves as hip and progressive and big environmentalists. Bullshit. You're money-hungry opportunists, and you're not allowed to pretend you care about the environment.
Surprisingly, Bill Maher's rant stirred Bitcoiners into a frenzy of rebuttals online. All the usual counter-arguments were made, including an excellent breakdown of the 2 degrees research paper by Bitcoin OG Nick Carter. We'll link to that below, so if you're interested, go check that out. There'll be a link below the video here. What's really interesting here, though, is that Bill Maher's anti-Bitcoin rant is just the latest in a long list of anti-Bitcoin rants from a long list of skeptics. And if you've been following the space for long, you'll know that one by one, Bitcoin's detractors inevitably end up acquiescing. Think of names like JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon. In 2017, he said, "If you're stupid enough to buy it, you'll pay the price for it one day." Yet, now JP Morgan offers access to Bitcoin for its clients through its very own Bitcoin fund. So has Bill Maher cracked the Bitcoin code? Has he identified once and for all what's wrong with Bitcoin and why it will fail? Is it just that he hasn't taken enough time to understand it? The point is, if you really dig into Bitcoin, if you understand the fundamentals, you'll realize that these anti-Bitcoin takes have serious flaws. Then you'll come to recognize folks like Bill Maher and Jamie Dimon for what they are: old men yelling at the sky. One person who does get Bitcoin is the #1 NFL draft pick, Trevor Lawrence, who put his entire signing bonus into crypto soon after signing with the Jacksonville Jaguars. It was reported Lawrence converted his $24 million signing bonus into crypto last week. The payout was reportedly converted into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, and future payments will be made in a combination of dollars and crypto of the quarterback's choice. Lawrence is the latest of a growing group of professional athletes who are opting to be paid in crypto. Last year, you might recall Seattle Seahawks' Russell Okung made headlines by converting half of his NFL salary into Bitcoin. These moves have prompted the New York Giants to partner up with Grayscale to pen crypto deals with their players, so it's likely that many more professional athletes will opt for cryptocurrency payments in the months and years to come. And it won't only be athletes opting for crypto payments, though, as Visa's CEO says that the world's largest payment processor is diving into crypto in a very big way. During Visa's earnings call last week, CEO Al Kelly outlined the company's commitment to the crypto space, focusing on 5 key areas. Those 5 areas being enabling consumers to purchase Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, enabling digital currency cash outs to fiat, enabling financial institutions and fintech partners to offer crypto to their consumers, crypto payment settlements between merchants, consumers, and financial institutions, and lastly, working with central banks to increase crypto adoption. I'm sure that one's very popular. As one of the world's most widely used payment processors, these big steps by Visa will introduce crypto to hundreds of millions of people around the world, which is very exciting. And speaking of cryptos, Dogecoin and the meme coin market exceeds $70 billion market cap. Doge traded at an all-time high on Tuesday, busting through the 50-cent mark and trading around 65 cents at the time of filming. Over the last 30 days, the Shiba Inu themed coin gained over 900% in value, achieving a higher valuation than Honda Motor Company. While Bitcoin has a fixed supply and is considered a deflationary asset, there is no cap on Dogecoin. Although many people consider it an inflationary asset, people online are finding Doge's 50-cent price tag little more palatable than Bitcoin's current price, around $55,000 per single coin. The meme token's high-profile backers, Elon Musk and Mark Cuban, have also done well to keep Doge in the news, with Musk's tweets about his upcoming SNL appearance sending the Doge's price upward again this week. And scheduled Bitcoin Cash upgrade and first major upgrade to BTC in 4 years. The Bitcoin Cash network will experience a scheduled upgrade on May 15th, bringing a series of simple changes focused on usability and instead of hard changes to the consensus algorithm. Most of the important changes are aimed to improve user experience and helping merchants using Bitcoin Cash for online or in-store payments, reaffirming the commitment as a peer-to-peer electronic cash. Bitcoin miners have started to signal for something called Taproot activation, meaning that crypto supporters could see the largest Bitcoin update in almost 4 years. Taproot aims to help BTC scale and keep transactions more private, the protocol that will be deployed when consensus is reached with a soft fork. For those interested in seeing if Taproot will activate, you can go check out taproot.watch. They've got a great little website which kind of visualizes whether or not Taproot's actually going to activate based on the mining hash rate. So will be very interesting to watch. Let us know in the comments, what do you think about Taproot? What do you think about the Bitcoin Cash upgrade? And of course, be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon, and then get notified when we post another one of these videos, which is usually at the end of each week. So we'll see you guys next week, and thank you again. Bye-bye.